Hello everyone. So today I am going to demonstrate a data visualization tool which is Flourish Studio, and it's a freeware, uh, but you have a option you can buy it, but it's a very pretty simple tool. It's a cloud based tool, so I am going to demonstrate this tool now to you. Once you have created your login, you have to sign in it, and for example I sign it. I already send a verification email, so you just need to create a new visualization. Then you can see a lot of data visualization charts here. So let me go through for you that we have what type of chart we have. For example, we have a hierarchy chart, then we have a heat map chart, line chart, network chart, so Sankey chart. So we have a lot of chart stack here in this single cloud based Flourish Studio. So let me go and select a chart for you. I will take a bar chart for you, how we can easily create a bar chart for you. So let's click on bar chart. So once we click a bar chart, and you can see a chart is created automatically by default using a sample data, and on the right hand side, yeah, here this is a sample data it's using, but you can upload data and change it as you wish. You can upload via CSV or your Excel file, so it can work uh, with the data set. So on the right hand side you can see labels. We can change the label formatting. We can have a different properties on the right side to manage the bar chart or whatever chart we are using. So this is a property window. Actually literally I don't see this type of properties in other like Power BI or Tableau. This is a very fancy building chart. So in in this video I will tell you one more a secret, how can you make a YouTube like presentation videos. So let's stick with the video. I will tell you soon in my video, but here I can playing with some properties like y-axis, x-axis. We have a lot of things to do. So let me play with some things like grid line. We can off the grid line, we can on the grid line, we can apply styling, and on a label x-axis we can float or shrink the chart top. We can make the axis hidden like that. We can, if you play a lot of things, so you can find that this is very handy. We can flip the chart, which is very handy tool if we want to show like presentation, flipping, styling, and bold, weight, size, font size, color. So lot of thing. I am just giving a demo on this print of this tool actually. So let me go and delete this chart, and I want to create something new for you. I am going to create a new visualizer tool, and here I am going to create a like presentation where we have a racing chart, which can with the help of this you can create your YouTube presentations or any presentations you would like, which is that's why I selected this video. Yeah, so it's going to create a bar chart race. So you can see this type of things you can create very easily. You just need to go in data, and you have a region column, image column, and column D to ZZ. You have a early segregation of the data. So that's why it's going to be a animated bar chart type of things. So it's a pretty simple. Even you can upload data as your own and then create your own chart if provided your data. So labels column A mean we have a country, values is we have a numeric values, we are using this. And I hope you understand this thing, because uh, you know it's running automatically. We can stop the animation as well, we can change, flip, fit, stretch, rectangle, we can do lot of things. Even we can transform the vertical to horizontal as well. Let me show how we can transform this vertical to horizontal. Okay, so here is I am now transforming into horizontal to vertical. So you can see lot of options here, and by doing using this tool, one thing which is actually I would like to I would say that shortcoming of this tool, we can how we can connect with our live data, like we have a database. So this type of thing I am exploring. If you do explore yourself, so let me uh, do comments, so that will help me or help other guys or help other viewers, that they can create live chart based on our database, data warehouse what we have connected with in a backend. Okay, so we can stop the presentation, we can resize it, so we can publish it and share it if we want, and we can also download HTML, download as an image as we wish. So once we publish it, so it can be published on the cloud, and you can share the link with your friends circle or in your office as well. Let me download a presentation. This will be an image file, so you can download it as an image, so you can do a lot of things. I hope you like this tool, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks.